Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing of Fujifilm Dry Chemistry Analyzer model number NX600i. This is a made in Japan product. I'm going to give you an introduction about this product and also going to unbox and show you the contents of this kit. Let me quickly go through the complete box. So let me show you here more clearly. This is the model is Fuji Dry Chem NX600i. You can see it's from the manufacturer is Fujifilm Corporation. You can see that it's a CE certified product. And let me show you completely here. Okay, and you can see this, and that's exactly the model is NX600i. Okay, you can see the made in Japan. Okay, let me go around the box. This is the other side of the box. Okay, and there's another side. Here you can see the other side. It's almost the same sticker on the other side, which shows the model number NX600i. Let me show you the other side, which talks the instructions. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just open this box and show you the contents inside the box. Okay, let's open this actually. Yeah, here you go. Yeah, I just opened it. I just opened the top portion of the cotton, and here you go. You can see another cotton box inside, which is coming like this. 1 second. You can see this. The top cover cotton is opened, and you can see this is how the inside looks like. You can see the machines and one more cotton here. Let me open this, take this top one for you out. Okay, there is one. Okay, there's one more box here. 1 second. You can see there's one more box here, and here's the machine. So you got a cover like this, where this is the another cotton inside, and you got a separate box with accessories. This box is with accessories, and the machine is packed this way and very safely packed. Let me show you the Fujifilm model. Yeah, here it is. Okay, I'm going to just unwrap this. Let me show you. You can see the model number. Dry Chem NX600. This is the latest model of dry chemistry analyzer from Fujifilm. Okay, you can see that. Let me move this. Okay, I opened that. Okay, I'm going to move the machine out of this pack. This is how it is packed. Let me show you all the sides. This is totally how it looks like. Okay, let me pull this out for you. Okay, let me remove the bottom. Okay, I'll just remove this bottom side on the side, and I can show you this machine. We're just going to unbox this, and probably you can see the full machine side, the other side of the back side of the machine. This is how it's completely wrapped. The box, the original packing is completely wrapped, and this is the film. Yeah. You can see this model numbers here. Okay, I think you got how the packing looks inside. Let me move this here. Let me keep it on the side. Okay, let me push this on the side. And this is how where the packing was there. I think now we got an idea about how the machine packed and kept inside. I think we should move to the other box, a cotton box that we have received, which gives you I'll just want to introduce the contents inside. think we should move it upside down. Let's do this. Okay, you can see. So let me quickly show you this. This is how the main cotton cover was looking like, and then once you open this cover, you can see it's like a top opening. So if you open it, and you can see this is how the packing was done, and the machine was kept inside. And with the machine, you can see there is a separate cotton box with accessories, and I'm going to tell you the contents inside the accessories. Okay, so just I've kept back the machine on the cover. So just a quick glance. Okay, this is the accessories. Okay, it's time to introduce you to all the accessories. Okay, here you go. And probably I'll also have a paper here. Okay, let me take you first the manual. Okay, this is how the manuals look like. Let me open this. Okay, you can see that there is a complete instruction manual. For this Drychem NX600i. There's two models here. What we got here is the NX600i. It's a complete CIVD certified model, and you've got a complete booklet, a huge booklet that gives you the complete instruction for manual. And there is another paper comes along with that, which is the installation guide for the Fujifilm Drychem's NX600i model. So this is just a thin paper which gives you the installation guide instructions. Okay, here you go. Let me keep this here. Okay, you got this two here, and let's go inside. Okay, if you look at let me give you the introduction about the contents. In the contents, first you got a recording 2 set of paper. This is a recording 2 set of paper. This is inside of that, and then you have a. Okay, let me show you the different contents. Then we have the second one we have is the slide cartridge. Slide cartridge along with the slide weight. This is a set that has a slide cartridge along with the slide set. I'm just keeping this aside here. Okay, then you have a light source lamp. Let me pick that for you. Yeah, here it is. This is the light source lamp. One more, this kit comes. Let me keep it here. And you got a O-ring. There's a O-ring, a very small pack, a O-ring. I'm just going to keep this for you here. A O-ring. You can see the O-ring here. There's a O-ring pack, and there's a tip rack. This is the tip rack. You can see this. This is called tip rack. This comes along with accessories. Let me keep it here. Tip rack, and there is a sample rack assembly kit. There's a sample. This is called the sample rack assembly kit, and you have complete instructions to fix this and use it. This is a sample rack assembly kit. Let me keep it here. Actually, yeah, just to show you. There's a sample rack assembly kit. This is then you got. Let me check here. What you got here is okay. There is another 2 set of kit, which is called sampler leak check tool. This is called sampler leak check tool, and I'm just going to keep it here. Sampler leak check tool. You got 2 sets, and there is one more sampler leak check. Let me find out what is this. This is called PF. This is called a PF leak sampler check tool. Yeah, this is the one. Let me keep it here, yeah, for you. Okay, and then you got Fuji Drychem Auto Tips. This is Fuji Drychem Auto Tips. You can see the Fuji Drychem Auto Tips. This is also C certified kit. You can see that here. Let me show this here for you. Lot number, and you can see the kits. This is Auto Tips. Let me keep it here itself. Okay. Okay, here you go. Then I think we have Fuji plain tubes. Okay, let me pick this here. I have two packs here. One is the Fuji plain tubes, 0.5 ml tubes, and also you have the caps for those tubes. This is a complete pack. Comes along with this kit. Fuji tube pack for 0.5 ml tube pack with a cap. Let me keep it here actually. Okay. And then what we got here is the Fuji Drychem mixing cups. This is a complete pack where we get Fuji Drychem mixing cups. Okay, I think we go. This is another one set. Let me keep it this inside. Okay, let me keep it this here itself. Okay. Okay, and then you got a manual pipette cover. Here it is, a manual pipette cover. All these lists are also shown in the instruction manual at the page number 2-10. So this is the manual pipette cover. I'm keeping it for you here. And there is another European authorized representative label actually. This is a representative label is also given in the pack. I'm keeping it here. And then what you got here, let me see. Okay, then you got a key for sample cover. There's two keys. There's two keys for the sample cover. So this is also it's available inside. That's all about the kit inside. Let me see what else we got here. As I said, then you got there is I think this is an incubator cover. The incubator in set a pack in that. Let me open this for you. There's an incubate pack which is used. Okay, yeah, this is the incubator pack, which comes along with the accessory pack. This is how it is on the other side. Okay. Okay, I think this is all we have for along with this unboxing. Let me quickly tell you a quick summary. So what we have seen here is like the cover, the mission, and a cotton box separately with accessories. The accessories contains the recording. Okay, let me show you this list here actually. Okay, the accessories will get you a recording paper and a slide cartridge and slide weight, light sourcing lamp, an O-ring, a tip rack, a sample rack assembly kit, a sampler leak check tool, PF leak check tool, and also Fuji Drychem auto tips and Fuji plain tube 0.5 ml. And you got the manual pipette cover and the European authorized label is shown, as the key is shown, and the instruction manual and the installation method. So this is all we got here along with this box. So just keeping it back. So this is also available in the page number. In the instruction manual, you can find this in the page number 2-10. So this is the complete toolkit. So just I'm putting it back just to show you the complete set. Okay, here the complete summary. I think we have given a good introduction about the total unboxing. So you have the cover, you got the mission, for the Drychem NX600. And you got the complete accessories toolkit as I introduced you to all the contents inside the kit. This is how the total set. Okay, thank you everybody.